Don't start learning English in 2026 without doing this, because if you do, you may waste another year without real progress. Right now, as you are listening to this, ask yourself one honest question. How many times have you started learning English and then stopped? Once? Twice? Or too many times to count? Every year you promise yourself that this year will be different, but deep inside, you are afraid that English will defeat you again. This story is for you, because this is not just a story about learning English. This is a story about breaking fear, changing mindset, and finally doing the one thing that most people ignore. At the beginning of 2026, Arif stood exactly where you might be standing now. He wanted to learn English, but he was tired of failing. English had followed him like a shadow throughout his life. In school, it was grammar rules and memorized essays. In college, it was embarrassment and silence. In professional life, it became a wall between him and better opportunities. Arif was not lazy or weak, but English made him feel small every time he tried to speak. He always felt that others were judging him, laughing at him, or waiting for him to make a mistake. Slowly, he started believing that English was not for him. When 2026 started, Arif did what many people do. He searched online for English courses, watched motivational videos, and bought a new notebook. But after a few hours, he felt the same confusion again. Too many rules, too many methods, too much pressure. That was when he realized something important. He had never failed because of lack of resources. He failed because he never used English in real life. He kept learning about English, but he never lived in English. One night, a simple advice changed his direction. Someone told him, "Stop waiting to be perfect. Start using English daily, even if it's broken." At first, this sounded scary. Using English without being ready felt dangerous. But Arif understood that waiting had already cost him years. So in 2026, he decided to do something uncomfortable. He started speaking English before feeling confident. Every morning, Arif talked to himself in English. Simple sentences, broken sentences, sometimes wrong sentences. At night, he wrote short paragraphs about his day. He made mistakes, but he didn't stop. When he didn't know a word, he explained it in another way. When his pronunciation was wrong, he repeated the sentence again. Slowly, English stopped being an enemy. It became familiar. Weeks passed, and something unexpected happened. Arif started thinking in English. Not perfectly, but naturally. Months passed, and fear started losing control. He was still not fluent, but he was free. Free from hesitation. Free from silence. By the end of 2026, Arif was speaking English confidently, not because he was perfect, but because he was brave enough to use it daily. And here is the truth you must remember. English does not improve first. Confidence improves first. Fluency does not come before mistakes. It comes because of mistakes. If you wait to be ready, you will wait forever. So before you start learning English in 2026, remember this final hook, because it can change everything for you. Don't ask yourself, "Am I good enough to speak English?" Ask yourself, "Am I brave enough to start?" Because the day you start using English daily, even imperfectly, is the day English finally starts working for you.